Guys, so we're going to be starting off with FENIs, and we'll be doing all the beers and Bacardi and wine prices over here. So let's start off with the coconut FENI over here.
The coconut FENI is 200.
This is 200 for
Then
this
we
coconut
have
FENI.
Caju FENIs.
Caju FENI
This
is
is costing 340.
340,
This is 320.
320,
350. This is
350.
pure Caju FENI.
Pure Caju FENI. So this is like the
Upper
premium
round.
version.
No.
Okay.
And then the beers.
Okay, let's get on to beers. So we'll start with Kingfisher Strong,
That is 75.
75.
This is imported one, German beer, 150. Strong
This is
one.
a German beer. How much is this?
150.
150.
Strong beer.
Strong beer. Budweiser.
Budweiser 85.
Budweiser is now 85.
Then Kingfisher Draught 65.
65 draught.
Then wheat beer, that is 100.
100 for wheat
Tuborg
beer.
is 65.
Tuborg is 65.
And Heineken is 90.
Heineken is 90. Breezers.
Breezers 80. And plus Breezer, but this thing rum mix, there is 90 rupees.
Okay, these are 90 rupees, and the regular breezer is
80.
80 rupees. So these breezers are available in many flavors, so you can
Then
choose.
Pro Code beer is, that is 15% alcohol, that is costing 90.
So this is a strong beer.
Yeah, strong beer.
Okay, so this is how much?
90 rupees.
90 rupees. So a regular beer is around 4.5%. This is 15% alcohol. So this is very strong beer. So now we have Corona.
This is 100 rupees.
Corona now is bottled in Goa. So now this is 100 rupees. So we have wines over here. There's
180.
Sparkler. This is
Yeah.
180 for Dia sparkling wine.
330 ml.
Okay, and these
This beer is imported German beer, 150.
150 Boho.
Carlsberg Smooth is 75.
Carlsberg Smooth 75. Kingfisher
Plus
Pine
45. Then Bex is 50. And wheat beer 65.
Okay, so this is 40,
Yeah, 45.
45 now, 45,
50.
50 and 65. Okay guys.
Masala.
Yeah.